If you're young, ambitious, and feel like life is moving, but you're not, this video is for you. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. The system doesn't want you broke. It wants you comfortable enough to stay lazy. A predictable job, a predictable paycheck, just enough money to survive but never enough to escape. And if you try to want more, they call you unrealistic, greedy, or delusional. But what's actually greedy is a system that profits from your low expectations. In 2026, you have two choices: stay programmed or break free. Part 1. How the system trains you to drift from school to work to retirement. The system trains you to follow instructions, not think independently. Do what you're told. Wait your turn. Be patient. The result? Most people aren't failing. They're drifting. They jump from job to job, side hustle to side hustle, hoping something magically works. But hope is not a strategy. And here's the scary part. If you don't choose a direction, life chooses one for you, and it's usually average. Nobody wakes up thinking, how can I make you rich today? Only you care about your future. Part 2. The first escape move, obsession. Escaping the system starts with one decision: to stop treating wealth like a side goal. You don't get rich casually. You get rich by becoming obsessed. Not obsessed with motivation videos, obsessed with skills, leverage, and execution. Most people say they want money, but their focus is everywhere. They want success and comfort, freedom and distractions. That doesn't work. If you want a different life, you need a different level of focus, at least for a few years. Part 3. Value creates money. Money doesn't come from effort. It comes from value. The reason most people aren't paid more is simple. They're replaceable. In 2026, the fastest way out isn't inventing something new. It's learning a skill that already makes money. Things like video editing, short-form content, sales and deal closing, e-commerce systems, automation and AI workflows. Find something proven. Find someone already winning. Then copy the process, not the lifestyle. That's how smart people skip years of mistakes. Part 4. Execution over confidence. Here's where most people quit. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel confident. They wait for permission. Meanwhile, the people winning started before they felt ready. You escape the system by taking action early and improving fast. Do bad work. Get feedback. Fix it. Repeat. And stop asking friends and family for advice. They'll protect your feelings, not your future. Growth is uncomfortable, lonely sometimes, but comfort is exactly what keeps people stuck forever. Part 5. Real freedom. In 2026, real freedom isn't flashy cars or flexing online. It's waking up without an alarm, working on what you choose, and knowing your income isn't controlled by one employer. The system made you lazy on purpose, but escaping it is still possible if you're willing to focus, learn, and execute. 2026 is coming fast. The question is simple. Will you still be stuck, or will you finally take control?